Absolutely. Let's see how to register a business in Florida. Okay, so I Googled register a business in Florida and this lovely website popped up. So you're going to click on this. And this website is packed full of information. Florida is amazing to register a business. It's actually where we registered our business for tax reasons. So it's going to have getting started with a Florida business. It's going to help you decide on a corporate structure, and then it's going to break it down for if you want to file for your business online or through the mail. I definitely recommend doing online. And then you're going to register your business name. You need help like deciding on a corporate structure. Over on the gram, I actually have a ton of graphics and resources over there comparing different legal structures like sole proprietorships versus an LLC versus an S corporation. So you can hop on over there and check that out. You want to make sure that you are setting yourself up for success with your taxes and form your business correctly from the start. This is also something that we help with. So if you did want help getting started, you can click on the link on my Instagram and book a free consultation. But hopefully this kind of helps you get started.